Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm Malari, and today we're going to be talking about the new Morphe holiday collection. This is the 35XO palette. So if you're interested in watching me review this palette and create this look, please keep on watching. Make sure that you watch all the way to the end of this video so that you can hear how to enter the giveaway where you can win your very own 35XO Morphe palette and a mini continuous setting mist. So make sure you watch all the way to the end of the video to get the information, because I will not be answering any questions in the comments this time on how you can enter. And yes, before you ask, it is international.
What's up guys, it's Malari Alexis and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be on the Morphe new holiday collection. Well, I got the 35XO palette and just the packaging is already beautiful. I'm in love. And then we have the Mist Me, Mist You setting spray. Now I believe that this is the exact same formula, it just probably smells different. Okay, so out of the box, this is what the palette looks like on the outside. So still very pretty, just like the box. And these are the colors that we have on the inside. Very nude, very purpley. I can already tell right now I'm going to use this Crushing Hard color, just because I mean it's just like the first thing that I saw whenever I opened it up. So I already did my face makeup and I primed my eyes with the P. Louise eyeshadow base. The color that I use is Rumor 02. I like this one because it's a lot lighter than my actual skin color. It makes the color stick. For a base, I think that I want to go like dark and smoky. So I think I'm going to use the color Let's Snuggle as my base shade. Okay, so this color right here, it feels really good. I don't know how to describe it to you. Like, it just feels good. Like, this is like really good to like build on. It's like kicking up a lot whenever I stick my brush inside of the pan, but I'm not feeling much fallout, which I love. The next shade I think I'm going to use, well, I keep saying I think, the next shades I'm going to use is the Meet the Rinse, and I think I might mix it with Make It Official. Like mix these two shades together to get a darker purple, or maybe I should use the purple. I'm confused. I'm torn in between the two, cause I really wanna use both of you. And I will. Yeah, so I'm gonna use Meet the Rinse and Make It Official. So I'm gonna mix both of those together. So sometimes I make like really good choices. This is one of those times. So I'm keeping it lower than the Let's Snuggle shade that I use. I'm gonna go back in with that Let's Snuggle brush to kind of blend them two together. I'm gonna put just the purple on this time, that way I get more of a purple shade. Now this color I am feeling more fallout from, but it's fine. You see what I mean whenever I say buildable? Like, I just keep like dipping in there and tapping my brush, and like it was already pigmented before, but now the pigment is just like popping. I'm gonna use this color Love Story. Which one? This one. See how I kind of left this area kind of like not really touched right here? I'm gonna take that shade Love Story and like kind of blend it upwards. Okay, so now I'm grabbing a clean brush. It looks pink, but it's really just stained from all the pink eyeshadow that I used on the look that I did the other day. Just kind of blend that in. I just wanted to have some color right here. It was too plain right there. I think I'm gonna dab it in there again to get a little bit more color. Color Love Story. I really don't want to spend the time doing a cut crease exactly today. Like, I don't want to have to carve it out, so I'm just going to stick my brush. Cool. So I'm just going to stick my brush into the Crushing Hard, yeah, into that pressed glitter. So I'm going to spray my brush with a little bit of setting spray first. That was a lot. That was a lot. I don't wear glitter eyeshadow that much, but every time I do, I'm like, oh man, I should do this more often, because look at how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Spray my brush, dip it in the crush. Like that. Because it's called Crushing Hard. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go with a winged liner, per usual. Okay, so I decided not to do a wing. I just did like regular eyeliner. So I feel like I want to put another color in my inner corner of my eyes. So I think I'm going to use the color Your Move. This one is like a pastel pink or like whitish pink. Just gonna put that just right in the inner corners. I don't kind of feel like that made that much of a difference, but I don't know. I just like doing my eyeshadow there. And I'm gonna add it in my brow highlight area. I'm debating on lashes because this look is kind of soft, but at the same time, I want to spice it up. So I'm trying to decide, should I do the big lashes or the wispies? I think we're gonna keep it short and wispy. These are the lashes that I'm gonna use. These lashes are by Lava Lash. It says seduce with one glance. I like that. Who we seducing though, sis? Not with these baby lashes. Okay, baby lashes are on. The mascara that I'm using, this is by Lily Lashes. I like when the applicator tip is like big. That's what she said. I'm gonna add some color underneath to complete the eye look. We didn't really pick up that much, well, I don't know. I feel like the purple's not as intense on top of my eye. I'm gonna use it underneath. So I'm just gonna use that color Meet the Rinse again, directly underneath my eye. So this is the Mist Me and Mist You Continuous Setting Spray from the holiday collection. I did not realize it came with two, so I'm super excited about that. And I just checked the website because I was gonna order another one, but they are sold out. So if you didn't grab one, sucks for you because these are super cute. I love this color. Okay, let's see what it smells like. I don't know how to describe the smell. It just smells like fresh. I don't know what I was expecting, but it's not that. But it smells good. It's just not what I was expecting. So now we have the Out and a Pout. This is the Sweet Tea Lip Trio. So these are the things that we got. I did not actually look at what the palette looked like. I just saw the packaging and I really wanted it. Otherwise, I probably would have ordered the other one. Okay, so like this color is basically the same color as my skin, which isn't great, but I mean, that has nothing bad about the product. It's just my own choice that was wrong. This is what the lipstick color looks like. Okay, so like I said, it's not bad. It actually feels really good on my lips. I'm gonna put this lip gloss on top too, just to see. It's kind of like Dookie Brown, but I feel like if I mixed it with something, it would be fine. I'm definitely not wearing this color with this look, so I'm about to wipe my lips off and figure out what else I'm gonna do with them. I'm just gonna use this lip shade from Bodyography because it's right here. So this is the So Juicy ColourPop Lip Plumping Gloss that I used on top of that. So the blush I'm using is from the Morphe. This is the blush palette, Morphe. Do y'all say Morphe or Morphe? I say both. You guys, I'm really liking this look. It's so pretty. Doesn't really give me Christmas vibes on the inside of this palette. It gives me more like Valentine's Day vibes. Okay, so the highlighter I'm using is a very old highlighter. This one is the BH Cosmetics Blacklight highlighter palette. I can't pick it up and show you because the mirror is broken, and for some reason every time I open it, like, it has shattered glass in it. It has shattered glass in it, so every time I open it, like, the glass is like falling out, obviously, but I'm always like, oh, I'm gonna throw it away, I'm gonna handle the glass, and I never do. This 3502 palette is actually pretty good for what it is. This retails for $25. I got it online on Morphe.com as soon as they released it, like the very first day I got it. Setting spray, the setting mist, this one was sold out whenever I looked yesterday, and it was sold out, so I don't know if it's gonna come back or what, but it was gone whenever I saw it. This lip color, these lip colors are okay. I think that if I mix them with something, they would probably be okay, but just by themselves and with the lip pencil, it's just not for me, not my color. But not to say anything bad about the formula, just not for me. All of these shades are very pretty. They look very like easy to work with. The ones that I used were definitely very easy to work with. I mean, as you saw, I just kind of like built on the color, and then it like immediately the pigment was good, but the more you build on it, the better that the pigment is, which is perfect. Love that. Very easy to blend with, and if you're a beginner, like very easy formula to use. Now that we're done with the review, so palette, I give it an A+. Probably should have tried it out before I bought a second one, but I wanted to give you guys one of these in the giveaway. So this one is mine, this one is gonna be yours, whoever wins. And because I did get 2 of the setting mist, I'm gonna throw one of these in the giveaway also, because they are sold out. So I don't know if they're coming back, but if you win the giveaway, you'll definitely have one. I am giving you the mini one because I wanted the big one, sorry. But you'll get this in the giveaway. So for the giveaway, all I want you to do, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, and in the comments, I want you to comment your favorite holiday thing. No matter what religion you are, what you celebrate, let me know what you do around the holidays. That's your favorite thing, and that's literally it. Comment, like this video, and comment your favorite holiday thing, your holiday tradition. Like this video, make sure you're subscribed, and that's it. There may be future bonus entries in the giveaway, but for right now, that's all I need you to do. So yeah, I'm super excited to give this away because I actually love the palette. I was kind of worried about it, like, what if I hate the palette, and I bought one for the giveaway, but I actually really love the palette. And then the setting mist, I mean, you can't go wrong with Morphe setting spray anyway. So these 2 things will be in the giveaway. So if you have not already, make sure you subscribe, like this video, comment what I told you to comment in the comment section. I am going to make this a shorter one this time. I'm going to run it for just a week. So on November 5th, next Thursday, it's going to be the last day. I will announce the giveaway winner on that Friday. So November 6th, I will announce the giveaway winner. The giveaway will be closed. So you have all day, up until all day on November 5th to get your giveaway entries in. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So November 6th, I will be announcing the giveaway winner. That way you'll have it in time for the holiday season and you can actually use it for the holidays. You'll see my face in the next video.